Okay, so hey YouTubers, good to see you. Make sure you like and subscribe to.
Seconds and subscribe will call up in your bed.
Okay. Shh. Or here's what's going to happen. Okay, there's going to be a giant turtle that'll.
What is that?
That's a. What do you mean? What is it? It's a turtle. It's a giant turtle. Okay, here's a giant turtle, and it will eat you. Okay, there you go. So, all my fifth graders wanted me to say this, but they're being really loud right now and not being quiet. So I'm not sure how well you guys can hear me. So, here we go. Group 2 erase points. Okay. So here's what I want for you guys to realize. In the Get More Math today, Group 3 erase points. In the Get More Math today, it's just simply adding fractions. But what you need to do first is reduce them. A lot of them you have to reduce. Because 10 and 16, well, I mean, you could add 16 multiple times, or you could just simply multiply 10 and 16 and to get 160. That would really be going the long way around the barn. So you want to reduce these first. So how about if, what's another way of looking at 8 over 16? That's 1/2. How about 2 over 10? Well, 2 goes into 2 once, 2 goes into 10 5 times. It is much easier to add 1/5 and 1/2 than it is 2/10 and 8 over 16. Much easier. The common denominator for this would be 10. That's easy to do. Here's another one that somebody had a hard time with. It was 6/18 and then 2/8. And you're thinking, holy cow, I've got to come up with a common denominator. When am I going to figure out how many times 8 will go into a number that's multiplied by 18? I mean, that would just take forever. We'll reduce them first. So again, let me emphasize, in today's Get More Math, look at the two fractions and reduce them first. 2/8, that's another way of saying 1/4. 6 over 18, well, 6 goes into 6 once, it goes into 18 3 times. This is so much easier to add together. The common denominator would be 12. So in the Get More Math today, unless you want a giant turtle eating you, okay, make sure you reduce them first, okay? Or somebody else said that a dinosaur would come and eat your grandma, and somebody else said a spider would crawl up your nose. Okay. So there you go. All right, everybody say subscribe.